There's a moment in tech when a rumor stops feeling like noise and suddenly feels like the start of something bigger, and that's exactly the vibe around Google right now. A quiet set of leaks is building into a wave, hinting that the next Pixel might break away from familiar patterns, flip long, standing expectations, and pull off a move nobody saw coming. And if these details hold up, the next chapter could be wild. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. The conversation heating up right now revolves around one bold possibility. Google might be preparing to ditch its long, trusted modem partner and jump to a brand new setup powered by MediaTek's M90. That's not just a feature swap, it's a shift in direction. The Pixel 10 held onto Samsung's 400i modem despite rumors at the time, but this new leak feels different. The M90 isn't just another modem, it's built for dual-active 5G, insane download throughput, and AI-enhanced efficiency that could help the Pixel 11 stay cooler, run smoother, and stretch battery life noticeably longer. If you've ever felt your phone burning up midstream, this alone is enough to raise eyebrows. And the modem story isn't happening in a vacuum. Apple is building its own, Samsung is juggling Qualcomm and Exynos for future models, and suddenly the entire 5G space feels like a chessboard with every player switching strategies. Google stepping into that battlefield with MediaTek would be the kind of unpredictable move that shakes the room. But here's where things get even more interesting. The Pixel 11 family itself might be expanding. Leaks hint at the standard model, the Pro XL, and whispers of a new foldable that could set the stage for Google's third-gen Fold lineup. Thinner frames, lighter hardware, refined hinges. It's the kind of refinement cycle that suggests Google finally wants to match the premium feel competitors brag about. And internally, there's chatter about a codenamed next-gen Fold that could introduce an entirely new design style if Google decides to push it into production. Meanwhile, Google's software game is evolving at a pace that feels unusually aggressive. The latest feature drops are loaded with AI creativity tools, theme-wide customization packs, and smarter notifications that can actually read the room and decide what's worth interrupting you for. Scam detection is broadening, call summaries are expanding to new regions, and Maps is learning to save battery while staying fully functional. When you connect that direction with the rumored hardware overhaul, it paints a picture of a Pixel lineup aiming to deliver a tighter, smarter ecosystem rather than just another annual refresh. If Google really pairs the M90 modem with the Tensor G6, bundles it into thinner hardware, pushes a more polished foldable, and keeps stacking AI-driven features on top, the Pixel 11 could end up feeling like a turning point. The moment Google stops playing catch up and starts redefining the game on its own terms. So now the question is yours. Would a MediaTek-powered Pixel convince you to switch, or does the foldable direction excite you more? Drop your thoughts below. I'm reading every comment!